Gutters run like veins tonight down the rusted fire escape. I watch the alley swallow light and hear the whole block shake. Your name is stuck in the window glass like a breath that won't let go. I press my palm to the cold pane and let the gray sky show. If I stand here long enough, maybe it will wash clean all the little broken pieces hiding underneath me. Let it pour, wash me down to the core. I want more, till I can't hold hurt anymore. Rain on my skin, rain in my chest. Strike me open, take what is left. Let it pour, let it pour. I was made for this storm. The mailbox leans on one bent leg and the roses bowed their heads. Mud climbed high on the back steps like it knew what no one said. I found your note in my coat pocket, ink gone soft at the edge. Still it burns like a match struck in a room that won't forget. If I stand here long enough, maybe it will turn to steam. All the anger and the silence you and I both keep. Let it pour, wash me down to the core. I want more, till I can't hold hurt anymore. Rain on my skin, rain in my chest. Strike me open, take what is left. Let it pour, let it pour. I was made for this storm. Thunder rolls through the power lines like a warning in the dark. I was not built to stay so still when the world is falling apart. So break